Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I present the result of my research and the team, first I will introduce myself. My name Afiasti. I'm lecturer in Department of Industrial Engineering Universitas Islam Bandung. This study was funded by Research Institute and Community Service Universitas Islam Bandung with a contract number 138 B.04 LPPN 11/2019. The research team consisted of myself Afiasti, my colleague Asmana Rukmana, Ian Bahtiar, and Reni Amaranti. This article is one of the research output and was presented at the Science and Technology Research Symposium or CIRES 2020. Well, I will try to present the result of my research entitled Determining the Optimal Capacity of Citronella Oil Refining Machine. Okay, this entitled my article Determining the Optimal Capacity of Citronella Oil Refining Machine. Outline: first, introduction; second, research method; third, result and discussion; and fourth, conclusion. Introduction: Vagan lemongrass is a plant from the grass family. Citronella oil produced by Vagan lemongrass has various uses, including as a raw material for the cosmetic industry, pharmaceutical industry, traditional medicine, and others. Only a small number of people know the benefit of lemongrass as a raw material for citronella oil. The sustainable citronella oil processing industry is not yet open. Based on background, I think the citronella oil processing industry makes a major contribution to improving the economy of the community. Research objective: to determine the capacity of citronella distillation machine with high quantity and quality. And this research method: observation and interview to collect data of Vagan lemongrass distillation or citronella oil distillation and capacity citronella oil distillation machine. Descriptive analysis to determine of capacity citronella oil distillation machine. The survey was carried in December 2019 to February 2020 in Gunung Halu village. The activity were interview citronella oil collectors, farmers, refiners, as well as making visit to refiners to see how to refine and the technology of the machine or tools used. Output: the optimal capacity of the citronella distillation machine. And this profile of Gunung Halu village. The location used for research is Gunung Halu, a sub-district in West Bandung Regency, West Java Province, Indonesia. The first step taken by the research team was a survey of 9 villages in Gunung Halu district to find out which villages have the potential for cultivating lemongrass and refining lemongrass. Gunung Halu district boundary north of Rongga district Cipongkor, south of Ciwidey District, west of Cianjur Regency, and east of Sindangkerta District. The total area of Gunung Halu District is 160.64 km. The largest village in Gunung Halu District is Gunung Halu Village, and the village with the smallest area is Wargasaluyu Village. And this location Gunung Halu for my research and team. And result and discussion. This Vagan lemongrass plant. Vagan lemongrass is a plant from the grass family. This plant has another name, Cymbopogon nodus, grow to a height of about 15 to 100 centimeter. Single leaf fried like a ribbon up to 1 meter long and 1.5 centimeter wide. The trunk is not woody, fibered and wide. Vagrant lemongrass plant reproduced by a road wayfield system. Based on with distillation in each of the area used as the research object, information about the capacity of the distillation kettle is obtained as follows. A. The distillation in Gunung Halu village have an average of 7 quintal of Vagrant lemongrass and can produce 5% oil from refined lemongrass leaves, about 4 to 5 pounds per quintal, or 7 quintal of Vagrant lemongrass leaves can produce 2.8 to 3.5 kilogram of Vagrant lemongrass oil. B. In Sindang Jaya Village, Gunung Halu District, namely Babakan Garut Village, RT 3 RW 6, there are 2 lemongrass distillers with an area of 25 hectares of citronella. The capacity of the refining kettle is 300 kg from 1 ton of lemongrass leaf to produce 7 kg of fragrant lemongrass oil. The next survey in Sindang Jaya Village, Sindang Village. In this village meet one on the lemongrass distillation, Mr. Sudrajat, who has his own refinery with a refining capacity of 600 kg and the resulting oil is about 3.5 kg of fragrant lemongrass oil. As a comparison, survey result to Sisepan Village, Cibodas Cangkuang Ciwidey District, every 7 quintal of refined lemongrass, copper, and lemongrass Bogor can produce 4 to 5 kg. Based on of research conducted by P2 Kimia Liquid, the result were obtained distillation of lemongrass leaf is carried out using a steam distillation kettle starting from the capacity of 20 kg to 300 kg to produce a yield of 1.2% Vagrant lemongrass oil, or from 300 kg of citronella leaves to produce 3.6 kg of lemongrass oil. This citronella oil distillation in Desa Gunung Halu Cililin, and they have conventional machine for distillation. This Vagrant lemongrass plant and this machine for or boiler for distillation, and this waste for from citronella oil distillation. This picture, citronella oil distillation kettle with a capacity of 700 kg, and this citronella oil distillation kettle with a capacity of 300 kg. Based on analysis and based on discussion, conclusion for this research, the right strategy to improve the performance of the citronella oil distillation industry is to use a lemongrass refining kettle with a capacity of 300 kg or 700 kg of lemongrass leaves. Acknowledgement. On this occasion, we would like to thank the Research Institution and Community Service or LPPM Unisba because this research can be carried with the grant of the LPPM Unisba 2020 through a research proposal selection process in 2019. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.